Hey, Jay Grams here from the Volo Auto Museum. I want to show you this 69 Camaro RS SS. Just came in. We're going to take it for a spin around and go over the car inside and out, start it up. This one's special. I mean, everyone loves the 69 Camaro, but again, RS SS. But look at the colors, factory born Cortez silver with the white houndstooth interior. That is just awesome. I don't know if I've ever seen another one. It makes this car special. It's got the exterior trim package, which includes the louvers and all the moldings, has the halo vinyl top with the silver around it. All the glass, the trim, the chrome is beautiful. Clear coat paint's gorgeous. Now, if you ever heard of a California black plate, that's what they're referring to. They were black back in 1969. That's the plate that came with this car. We have the registration to prove it. It's a California car, really clean sheet metal, dry, nice underneath, nice body. Deluxe interior isn't just seat covers, it's the molded armrest as well. And now if you notice, this car has the gauge package in the console, and it's a factory tachometer. The hockey stick stripe is painted the correct dimensions. People mess that up all the time. It's got the squirters. Rally Sport included washers that squirted on the headlights and cleaned them, but they're both up there still. Paint's gorgeous, just real slick, nice shiny paint. Now it's a matching number colors, trans and rear. This is a replacement engine. It's a 350 putting out at least 350 horsepower. It's got 4-bolt mains, got a forged crank. This has power steering, power disc brakes. Everything's very tidy. The door jambs are tidy, the rubber's real nice, the seat belts are laid out nicely, the rosewood trim across the dash pad, everything just looks really nice. It's got the factory speakers in the rear shelf there. The spoilers, obviously. It even feels slick. Just a smooth, shiny car. Trunk is empty, but it's real clean metal. It's got a nice fresh coat of spatter paint. Gonna fire this one up. Doesn't that sound good? It's a 350, not a big block, but oh, that sounds perfect. The guy I bought it from said this would run with the big blocks. He went on to tell me it's fast, and he's owned a lot of muscle cars. He knows what fast is. Yeah, it sounds nice. Got the SS wheels with BF Goodrich tires. I love it when a door shuts like that. If you watch my videos, I love it when they just shut real nice. Up here the motor's smooth and quiet as can be, no ticking. It's got a nice cam, nice exhaust system, so it sounds really good out and back. Very clean and tidy. Go to volocars.com. We'll have pictures underneath the car. I'll have all the specs listed. I know this came with a folder full of paperwork, including that original registration. I haven't read through all that yet. We just got the car. But volocars.com, this is for sale, along with a couple hundred other cars. Yeah, this is a beauty. Love the colors. So any questions, feel free to contact us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're getting great cars like this all the time.